Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're whipping up a dish that's perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something hearty and delicious without spending hours in the kitchen. And also suitable for keto diet. Get ready for our cheesy beef and egg bake, so let's get started. To start things off, we're going to heat up a drizzle of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Once that oil is nice and hot, toss in some diced onions and sauté them for about a minute until they're nice and fragrant. Now, let's add our star ingredient, minced beef. Once the meat is all browned and flavorful, season it up with salt, some freshly ground black pepper, and garlic powder. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Give it a good stir to incorporate those flavors, then add a generous amount of grated cheddar cheese. Stir it in until it's all melty and delicious, then go ahead and turn off the heat. In a large mixing bowl, crack in 8 eggs, then pour in some heavy cooking cream for that rich and creamy texture. Season it up with a pinch of salt and black pepper, then give it all a good beat until everything is well combined. Now, pour this luscious egg mixture right over our flavorful beef in the pan. And because we can never have too much cheese, go ahead and sprinkle on some more grated cheddar cheese and finish it off with a sprinkle of fresh thyme for that extra pop of flavor. Now, all that's left to do is pop this beauty into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 20 minutes. And just like that, our cheesy beef and egg bake is ready to devour. Cheesy, savory goodness in every bite. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you for this one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for joining me in Heaven's Kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking.